Welcome to Maine, Blizzard 2017. Fucking about a foot of snow on the fucking road.
Fucking Detroit hadn't even fucking plowed yet. What the fuck?
Good thing we got four-wheel drive.
It ain't even on.
Jesus Christ.
Yep, there's about a foot of snow on the fucking road.
And we're getting 3 feet in this area.
I'm doing about 25 in fucking third gear.
Wow.
Jeb, you pack some beer?
Christ, I wish I had some beer. Want to go get me a 5th Jim Beam Devil's Cut.
And that's Jack Daniels, I think.
No, that's Jim Beam.
We're that snow Jim guy going right across the fucking road.
Jesus.
Yep, we're going to Newport.
Go get some gas for the snowblower. Jeez, what a fucking mess.
Is that video coming in well about how much snow there is on the road?
Yeah, not really, dude.
Well, I'm telling you, there's a fucking foot right there. I don't even know what side of the road I'm on. I really don't care either.
Bassford Road right there. Slightly worse than this one, if that's even possible.
I swear to God, you know, the cop said to stay off the road if you fucking have to. I swear to God, if I get pulled over and I can't take off again, I'm gonna fucking sue him.
Oh yeah, dude.
Sue him and buy a Duramax or something.
Dumpster Max. Duramax for guys who love the D. Alright, my phone's running out of time to record.